What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack's new Airbnb. Actually, I've stayed here once before. It's a beautiful place. All right. Gonna go over Gala Games. It's following our analysis beautifully along with BTC. Sitting at 0.027, down almost 10% on the day. See market cap 736 million. 24-hour volume 91 million. Let's hop into the chart. So broke down from our head and shoulders. We're looking for a WXY correction, and that's what we're getting. So I am expecting a pullback in between 0.0173 and 0.023. I said watch the neckline. If it breaks, then the head and shoulders should play out. We were talking about that right shoulder forming, and everything's playing out to a T. So we'd love to see it. We may see a little bit of a bounce because we're oversold in the 4-hour, maybe a little retest, come down to our target zone. That's what I think is likely. As you can see here on the weekly chart, our target zone lines up with the 20 EMA. We're already in a trade. I will give another signal when we enter that target zone. My signals, you can get free access at the end of the video. Come back down, retest the 20 EMA, maybe break below it a little bit. Scare the bulls and then see a nice bounce back to the upside. That's what I think is the probable scenario for Gala. Head and shoulders target is sitting at 0.023, so we'll let that play out. We'll look for signals of reversal and we'll take that long trade. Signal will be given in the Discord. If you want completely free access to my signals, sign up to BTCC. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including my US and Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus into their futures account. If you deposit $1,000, that's $200. Completely free to trade with. The minimum is $100. Email me after you make that deposit, get that free bonus, as well as I'll give you access to my VIP rooms, daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, crypto news, member profits, forex signals, forex analysis. We're currently doing well on USD JPY. Auto all plays, all for free if you sign up to BTCC. Otherwise, it's $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon link. All links down below. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.